Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you how we can use the CNR instruction in Omron PLC. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, I will open my CX Programmer software version 9.5 and here we will take the backup from our PLC. Click OK and wait for some time. Auto online searching. But if you like to be new, create the project, you can go to the file and after what's the procedure in previous videos already I explained about how we can create the new project. So click OK and this little we will make bigger fonts after to go to visible. So here we will first choose one any. This 100.09, it's okay, you can use this one and this we will make it latch for this one, and here we will take the open contact of 100.0. No, sorry, this we are using the 100.9, this one 100.9, this contact we are using, and this branch we will fix it here, and one close contact we will choose it here x0.1. That's after this will be holding of our this 100.9, and here we will take one more open contact of the 100.9 and we will make a one timer, find instructions, timer counter, and first timer we will choose example T0 and time we will give this one for example 100 and click OK, and next row we will choose the output of the T0 because of we are using this timer T0, and output we will choose 100.0 first input. Same as we will make it here one new count timer 100 point yes 100.9 we will use this one relay, and next we will choose timer one more, find instructions, go to timer counter and next timer, and T1 we will choose, and time same we can give the 100.50 any we can give, but I give this 100. Okay, these two timers are ready, and one more open contact we will choose for this one T1 of the T1 open contact, and any one output we can use 100.1 we can use this one, because when we make it on this one, this timer also will be start and this timer also start, and two outputs make it on and off with this help of these two timers. If one more like to timer you can use, but in next row we will choose the input of the T2, no sorry, input address 2 and 1. Here choose go to the find instruction, timer counter, and here you can see CNR instruction, CNR 545. Click it on this one, but this is also in description, reset timer counter, and click OK. And here is asking from how much timers you like to, which is the start address from the timer which you like to be reset. So T0 up to T3 we like to be reset, And if you like to go in the help, also you can go in the help and you can see the manual. I will show you also one. Here we will take also same like I will show you just only for example, yani this no line, but only I need this example. See this one. Okay. And instruction help. Here you can see this instruction help. What he says, this timers, how much timers you can use, and one first number in range. What's the range of these timers? These numbers you can use from start from T0 up to T255 timers you can use in this command. And next, what you have to be see the important here. What he says, this is the function. If you give the signal at I0.0 and CNR instruction, and this when C0 is on, in the following examples, the completion flags for timers T0022 to T005 and turn off, and the timers PVs are set to the maximum value 999 for BCD. And it means in this T0 to T2 to T5 you can make it reset. In counters also this C0, C3 up to C7 counter you can make it reset. And this also, this one CNRX and also CNRX, this is also for binary, and these numbers you can used. So I am using this only, this two timers. So if you like to use counter also you can use, but only just you have to be give the instruction this one only from where up to like to be reset how much timers in it. Start from T0 up to T3. When you give the signal, after this timers will be go to reset. So we will download this program to the PLC and let's check. Click OK and again yes. Also here you can in the window you can see the here is errors or something, complete information of the compilation. You can see 0 error, 0 warning. So now you see when I give the signal at 0.1, after our this address also we will give wrong, because of 1 also we will give the for, and this one also. This mistake we have to be make correction. This we have to be given for no, just only new signal 0 I have to be choose, because 0 is push, but push for start and this 1 for stop. Sorry for this long delay. Okay, cancel this. And now for example I give the signal at I0.0. You can see our 100.9 is set and our timer is start. And when timer will be completed, these two both timers will be completed. Output will be energized 100.01 and 100.0. You can see this is the running these two outputs. But in this case, if you like to be reset these timers immediately, you just only give the signal at this command x0.2. When you give the signal, these two timers will be go to reset. For example, this I signal give, you can see this your two timers will be both are now go to reset condition 100 point. Which value we set, this go back to this value. And again if one more time I will make this on, and you can see this our timer is now started, and when its time is completed, and between this also maybe you give the signal, it will be go to reset. As you give the signal at x0.2, after this will be go to the reset. So again I give this signal, you can see these are now running and will be time will be completed, and after your output will be on. And as I give the signal at x0.2, you can see all these timers are goes to reset. And as I remove the signal, it will be start from there and again start this timers. So how many timers if you like to be reset just in one signal, you can use this command CNR 545. Reset timers counter first number in the range, also this last number in the range. Any means which number you like to be, which timer you like to be reset, start from this number and last number which is giving, that will be in range T3 or T2, two timers or three timers you like to be reset, you can make just this one x02. So hope guys you will be understand about this one CNR command. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thank for watching. Allah Hafiz.